2 is a value. Hello world is a value. 3.14 is also a value. True is yet another value, but they are of different types. There are strings, there are numbers which have different types such as integers and floats, and there are also booleans. We can check the type of different values in Python. To do it, type the word type followed by the value in brackets. Watch this. Here, str refers to type string. And here, int means a number of type integer. And float is a number of type float. We do not need to type the value every time we want to use it. We can keep it in a representative. These representatives are called variables. To keep a string hello world into a variable named message, we type message equals hello world, which is our value in this case. The same way, we can say message with a capital letter equals hello. It is always good practice to choose meaningful words in order to make your program easier to read. To show the value that is stored in a variable, we can use the function print. We have already seen the function type, which is used to check the type of a value. Print is used to display values as output in the terminal. We will look further at functions in more detail later. So here we print the value that is stored in the message with small letter. And here we print the value that is stored in message with a capital letter. The two variables are different because one starts with a capital letter. Yes, in Python, we are case sensitive. In the next video, we are going to jump into something that is not case sensitive. Take a guess.